Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to upload a file using Cypress. Okay, these are the two things I'm going to discuss here. Okay, one is file upload here, and you can choose file from here, and you can able to upload and click that upload, and you can go ahead here. And this is a one case, and we can able to verify this value, and this also we can able to verify, but there is a trick key is there. I'll tell you. Okay. And second case is minimize this one. You can drag and drop and click upload. If you click upload, it will goes here. But while you are going to do for Cypress, right, it will give you for some internal error. Sorry, it's already presented. That's why it is giving refresh. Now there is no file. Now if you here, if something file is there, if you click upload, it will give you for uploaded. And if you provide some value into here, and if you click this one, and it will give you for internal server error. Okay. And after that, these are multiple files uploading. You can choose for multiple files. Okay. And you can able to upload it, and it will present those information from here. Okay. These are the things. And third was shadow DOM also presented. There is a shadow DOM upload file. This is having before making this video, it is working as expected perfectly. Okay, even I explained some of the members for online class also. It is working as expected, and now it is went for hidden value. Okay, it's completely hidden. Even it is present as shadow DOM, but it is enable mode. But unfortunately, it is went for disable mode while we are doing for automation. But manually it will work. While we are going for automation, it is not working as expected. Okay, I tried my side also, and we are facing some issue. If I get any shadow DOM related upload file, then I can able to make another video to that. Okay, for shadow DOM purpose. Okay, present we are going to see for these other two. Okay, and here the directly we don't have anything to do for attachment like a file uploading and all. Okay, we'll see if there is any methods and all. Okay, basically we don't have any methods to do for file upload concepts, but we need to add for third party. Okay, file upload, I'll show you which plugin you need to add it. Okay, it to block I'm going to create and here also attach file upload. Okay, and function creation, and then and here cy dot visit, and I'm going to providing for my URL. Okay, then here after save this one and comes to go to here and open for Google. Okay, and here search for file upload in Cypress. If you search this one, and it will give you there is a plugin called npm.js Cypress file upload. Okay, this is a file you have to use. Okay, you need to go inside that. Okay, they will provide for some documentation. Oh, it is not providing. Yeah, now you can see here, this is the plugin we need to install. Okay, after that we need to import that particular file uploading into the file, or else you can able to directly go for Cypress support command.json file location. I can able to make it for this import section. Okay, once you imported, it will available for completely. Okay, it will provide for completely. Okay, then after that you can able to see there is a attachment. This is the file, this is the method we need to use to upload a file. Okay, it will take the parameter called file name. Okay, file name, this file name by default our Cypress is supporting for here there is a fixes folder is present inside the fixes, which is files are presenting. Those files we can directly consume directly this attachment. Okay, without any issue. Why means if you are not keeping into the fixes location, if you are not keeping the fixes location, Okay, in tomorrow you are keeping your local and uploading a file in your local code, but you will commit the code into a repo. Okay, and some other person also need to be access that particular file, means it will not happen, right? The path will be failed. Okay, due to that we are going to use for this particular features location to save the file. Okay, now I'm going to here, and we can able to inspect this particular file. Okay, and there are like even I have file selector hub, and the selector hub I'm going to take for relative path. Okay, I'll show you here. This is my file upload because that is the ID is having. Then I'm going to directly using that particular ID. Otherwise, you can inspect one more time. You can able to see there is a ID is presented for the input file name and name also presented. Okay, we can able to use that particular path cy.get, and then we can able to use for single quotation. Then we need to use for attach file. Okay, for attach file it will take as a file name, okay, which is a fixers data is presented. I'm going to use for my love.xls file. Okay, that is xlx file I'm going to do. Even you can able to do for directly like images, pdf, anything you can able to do it. Okay, it will upload. Okay, once we done, it will give you here, right? Then we need to inspect this particular upload file. This also having id submit file. Okay, and here cy.get, and then we can able to use for hash id, and then click. Okay, once we click, it will upload the file. Okay, it will upload file. Then once we click, and it will go for upload, right? Now we can able to validate this particular text, and I'm going to use for this h2 tag. Okay, and this is a dev id is presented, dev hash my id, and then it is completely hiding like again dev, and then h3. Okay, my h3 is now highlighting. Okay, now I'm going to here cy.get, and I'm going to use for my path, and then I'm going to use for should. Okay, and have dot text, and my text become this is the my information. Okay, I can able to save it. Okay, now we need to open for Cypress. Open. Now E2E, browser Chrome, and we need to choose for file upload file. Okay, we can able to see file upload concept like. Okay, sorry, what happened, we are not imported that particular information. We are not installed also, right? This one I already installed. You can able to copy this one and go to terminal and do it. Okay, and directly we need to importing now. Sorry, this import section I'm not done. Previous I already installed in my local, that's why I'm not installing again. Just copy pasting only. Require, and we can able to require make it. Okay, and now it will work. Now you can see my expected also pass. Okay, and if you going to validate this particular love.xls file and all, right, it will take some space because this is a complete space it is presented. Due to that, it will not work as expected. If I go and inspect, I can able to inspect it because it is presented inside the dev only. Okay, even you can able to directly take the dev, okay, ID, and I can mark it cy.get, and we can able to use for dot should, and if you use for have dot text, okay, and if you are used that is my file name called sorry, it's going power off. Okay, and here mine is like this is the one, right? I'm copying this one and I'm pasting here. Now you can see my test script will be fail. See, here it is failing. Why? Because there is a space here. To have the text is love.xls, but the text was found. This is the value. Okay. Due to that, our script is failing. It is taking some space inside that. That's why it is failing. Okay. If you want to use to check and verify this exact file is valid, uploaded or not, you should not use this particular one, and you need to use for dot contains and provide this value in single quotation, and you need to use for should be dot visible. Okay, if you save now, the two assertions got passed. Okay, there is a one. And second case, if you go for here again the file location, this is a one. And if you want to add for multiple file attachment, also we can able to use, and also we can able to use for drag and drop. You can use for drag and drop and keep it. Okay, and if you use the drag and drop, what will happen? Our script, the value it will present inside the file. It will inside it will present, right? Now if I minimize this one, now everything I moved, and if I keep it here, it will be presented here. We can able to validate this particular x path. We can take the x path of this, and this is my span, and you can able to see here it is presented. Okay, if you we find this particular path, then we can able to verify the context or something visibility, and we can able to verify. Okay, and dev dot class name and span, there are two spans are presented. We can able to use for first span, or else we can directly inspect this particular element and location and locator. These are very lengthy span, that's why we can able to go ahead and take for this particular one, and first span or second span we can able to verify the value. Okay, and copying this particular information. Okay, coming to here and take this entire value, pasting it down and make it for only to run. Okay, and this is a drag and drop. Okay, and everything is same, and this particular attachment I am commenting, and this also I'm commenting. Everything we can will remove for remaining things. Drag and drop also same, and we need to use the path of the particular file drag and drop. To drag and drop, will refresh. Okay, now I'll inspect. This is my dev. This is my drag and drop ID. Okay, that is the location it will be presented drag and drop, and I can make it to here. Okay, that is attachment. Okay, and then after attachment, after coming to the attachment, now we can see that particular drag and drop got extended, and this also extended. First one, again inside this one is presented, we can able to use this particular dev hash, sorry, dot value, and we can able to use for span. Two values we can able to find for one. Okay, no issue. We'll go ahead here, cy.get, and we can able to use for path, and then first value. Okay, and we can able to use for should and b dot visible. Even you can able to use for content also. Both the cases it will work, no issue. Okay, got failed, maybe. Why drag and drop, it is not working. Okay, subject type, everything same. Okay, this is the one, maybe we need to use it here. Yeah, see now we can able to see the file it is uploaded, and also we can able to verify. Okay, and love.xls file is presented here. Okay, this is the one case we can able to do it. Okay, and another case is multiple file uploading. 1 minute. Sorry guys, and the final topic that we are going to discuss in like multiple file upload. Okay, for this again I'm going to copy pasting this code, and I'll make it for here is only, and then we are going to take for multiple file uploading purpose this particular URL. Okay, and even you can see that output which we are used right to file uploading and all, right? Drag and drop. The code also it is say that subject type is drag and drop, means we are going to do for drag and drop, right? If you attach only for the file for the drag and drop, without this it will not work. With that particular one only it will work. Okay, please remember. Now this is a multiple file purpose. Now we need to refresh this line. Okay, and we need to inspect this element. Okay, here we can able to see there is a ID is presented for file uploading purpose. Okay, now I'm going to take it here, ID. Okay, for multiple file uploading purpose they are provided that syntax is like this. Okay, array format we need to keep for array format. If you keep the array format it will attach the file. Okay, multiple file attachment. Okay, now I'm going to make it here array format and deleting this one. Okay, and if you want to attach one more file, I have already attached one more file here. This is the one. Okay, I am going to take it, and here I'm going to make it for comma with a separating comma. Okay, and these are the two files. Okay, after that we need to verify whether we are able to uh, attach it properly or not. We need to verify. Okay, how we can able to verify? If I attach the values here, once I click it here, if I attach two files and click here, and we can able to see there are two files, information is presented in the down. Okay, if I inspect here, you can able to see UL ID is there, li is presented. I'm going to take for UL syntax. Okay, here I can UL hash ID because this UL is having for ID. There are two L's are presented. We are going to check the contains. By using for contains, we can able to validate, or we can able to use it for control F and provide this one hash, and you can able to see one is presented, and you can able to li. There are two things are presented. We can able to use for first, and completely we can able to text format. Should have dot text, and we can able to verify which is the value we are providing the first, that particular file we can able to choose it. Okay, this is basically in runtime what will happen. Sometime the value format will be changed. Okay, first value second and second value first, it will happen in the runtime sometimes, not for every time, sometime. That moment our script will be fail if you are go for should have dot text, which is the one having the exact value you are going to check, our script will be fail. Due to that, I'm going to use for contains. Okay, contains I will use contains, and I'm going to use for one of the value. Okay, any one of the value. I'm going to take for this particular value, and I'm going to verify. Okay, if it is presented, then only it will do it for pass. Otherwise, it will do for fail. Okay, then I'm going to use for should again. In the should, what I'm going to do, b dot visible, b dot visible. Okay, just I'm saving now. You can comes to here and see that execution. See that particular value b dot visible also happen, and also you can able to see the two values are also presented. Okay, and here you can able to see the assertion. Okay, like this we can able to attach for multiple file also. Okay, based upon this particular plugin, they are provided for options: normal attaching file, and drag and drop attachment, and multiple files. Okay, these are the way, and even they are provided for API level attachment also. API level attachment also they provided. Okay, if you want to do for encoding format of UFT8 format, that also we can able to do. And if you want to change the name of the file in a runtime, that also we can able to do it. But this using but this particular plugin, if you provide for path, which is a file path, and file name, which is the name you want to replace, you want to override, which is the name you are provided, which is the name you added, that name if you want to override, then we can able to change the name of the file also, but you need to choose this format, then only you can able to change. Okay, for this I can name format changing. Okay, now you use it for here to uploading like attachment of love dot this particular information, right, xlx, but you want to check runtime, you want to change the name. Okay, for this I can go ahead here, I'll use it here. Okay, I'll change the name, just any name, I just a custom file name. Okay, like just that I name, that name I'm providing. I'll make it for here only. Okay, and everything same, but I'm going, we can able to see this custom name into our file location, this location. Okay, now I'm saving this one, and we can able to see here. See, custom file name, which is the name we provide, custom name. Okay, it will change. This is a file path where we are storing, and this is a file name, which is the name we need to change in the runtime. Okay, these are the two parameters we can able to change the value also, and even you can able to see allow empty file also. The text format is empty, then also we can able to attach. And if you want to attach the file in API level, that is the format they are provided that. Okay, everything they provided here, the information for using for attached file. Okay, you can go through that one more time for this entire plugin, and find practice step by step, then definitely you will get for good hands on. In case if you are getting for any question in this particular plugin using while using your, if it is something issue, just comment on this video. I'll try to help you for that. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.